Morning students. Yesterday I was explaining lesson 6 no further than Mandya. So open your English literature books to lesson 6 no further than Mandya. Page number 72. Danny grunted, making a low rough noise. Okay. It is sharp, he said, watching the shavings come off, just like your wit. Robin, it is sharp, he said. Danny said, it is sharp, watching the shavings come off. Shavings means when you sharpen the pencil and the waste of the pencil, जो उसका छिलका निकलता है. He said कि it is sharp. He said watching the shavings come off. Shavings को देखते हुए उसने कहा the pen knife is sharp, just like your wit, just like your cleverness, which means cleverness. Robin returned with the map. The boy spread it on the table and studied it. Robin returned with the map. The boys spread it on the table and studied it. We start here in the cantonment of Bangalore, said Danny. Where else? Smacked Nikhil. Robin मैप लेकर आया. बॉयज ने तीनों ने डैनी, रॉबिन एंड निखिल उन्होंने टेबल पे स्प्रेड किया एंड स्टडीड इट और उसको देखना शुरू कर दिया कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Danny ने कहा we start here in the cantonment of Bangalore. We will start from the cantonment of Bangalore. Where else? Met Nikhil. Okay, said Robin. We take the road out of the city and proceed along the Mysore road. We had better leave early. The traffic will be bad later. Okay, said Robin. Robin said, okay. We take the road out of the city and proceed along the Mysore road. We take the road out of the city and then we proceed आगे Mysore road को पकड़ेंगे. We had better leave early. The traffic will be bad later. Robin said that we have to leave early. जल्दी हम लोग घर से निकलेंगे because there will be a traffic. It will be hotter too, asked Danny. Danny said, it will be hotter also. The day is hotter too. The boys pored over the map, making notes. They started making notes. 3 days was not long. They wanted to stay in Bandipur for at least one night, where they might catch sight of some wildlife, a tiger, a sloth bear, or the 4-horned antelope that their geography teacher, Mrs. Gupta, had told them about. They will stay there for 3 long days. They decided they wanted to stay at Bandipur for at least one night. For one night, they wanted to stay at Bandipur, where they might catch sight of where they can see some wildlife like tiger, sloth bear, 4-horned antelope, which their geography teacher, Mrs. Gupta, had told them in the class. Bandipur too far in one day, exclaimed Danny. We will stop for the night in Mysore. Mysore, cried Nikhil. That is 140 kilometers away. Well, said Danny, we can do that easily. Bandipur, Danny said, Bandipur is too far. We will stay for the night in Mysore. Danny said, we will stop for the night in Mysore. Nikhil cried, Mysore is 140 kilometers away. Well, Danny said, we can do that easily. Yes, maybe, replied Nickel. If I had my own bike here, I could cycle all the way to Uchi in a day. Otherwise, it will be my sore back. Nickel replied, yes, it may be easy to reach Mysore to cover 140 kilometers. If I had my own bike here, if I had my bike, it could cycle all the way to Uchi in a day. अगर मेरे पास साइकिल होती तो मैं ऊटी अकेले पूरा चलाकर जा सकता हूँ. Otherwise, it will be my sore back. Danny and Robin coughed. Ooty, spluttered Robin. We will be lucky to get as far as Mandya, and that is 100 kilometers away. Although the boys were not much good at maths, they began a debate on time, speed, and distance. Little did they realize that in the heat of summer, a day seems much longer than 24 hours. The boys started a debate on time, speed, and distance. Their maths were not too good, but they realized that in a summer day, the day seems much longer than 24 hours. गर्मी में दिन बहुत बड़ा लगता है और विंटर्स में दिन क्या होता है, छोटा होता है. तो उन्होंने ये रियलाइज़ किया लेटर कि समर्स में दिन क्या होते हैं, बहुत बड़ा होता है. Now students, open your books to page number 76. We will do question and answers. Open your books, get ready with your copies and books. Students, now we will do question answers. Okay, 2 question answers today we will do. So you have to open your books. Page number 76. First question. How might the boys have spent their holiday? So answer is, the boys might have read or gone to the cinema to spend their holiday. Second question is, what did they decide to do instead? They decided a 3-day camping trip on bicycles. Okay, these 2 questions you have to note down in your classwork copies. Okay, the date is now. Note down your homework. You have to learn the word meanings of lesson 6, that is no further than Mandya. Okay, clear students? These 2 question answers you have to note down in your classwork copies and note down your homework in your diaries and learn the homework. Okay, thank you.